Hey, how's it going? My name is Corey Norris, and I'm back to share with you guys. I just upgraded to the Legacy Builder program and why. Now, and over the last course of a couple years that I've been doing digital marketing, always came across good courses, but there was not enough support, or they had a coaching program and you had to, the coaching program was an upsell. So there's like another $1,500 up to $1,000. And sometimes it could be per session or per month. But with the Legacy Builder program, you're going to get ongoing coaching. You're going to get ongoing mentorship by a woman became a millionaire in 17 months using these exact strategies. And she's sharing every day a daily actionable plan for you to do so you can take it and unique it to your own style to bring daily paying customers to your product. Now, with the Legacy Builder program, I love about it is that you don't have to use it to sell the program itself, which it is a very good idea to share this program. But if you have an existing online business and you don't know how to get customers to your existing online business, that you can too use these strategies to bring those daily paying customers and attract the ones who's looking for your product, your opportunity, for your services. It's basically a business in a box, and it's affordable. Affordable meaning it's a mid ticket, almost in the high ticket range, which is the highest product being $900. But hold on before we get all haywire and shout out like $900. That's a lot. Just hold on, bear with me, and all the way down to the lowest product, it's the launch pad, and that's actually $100. Now, with these products, I do offer a payment plan. So within the payment plan, you can pick through Klarna, Afterpay, and it's going to show you how these payments can be broken down to where you can start at the $900 level for almost 25 to 50 bucks, depending on where you can come in at with the payment plan and arrangement. So I just want to jump real quick over into the back office. When you get started, you view your dashboard and you're going to get your products. So these will be your products, which I'm at the Legacy Builder program. So I own the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, which is a $300 product, the Digital Marketing Mastery, which is $600, and the Launchpad, which is $100. With this, you also get exclusive bonuses. So in that bonus packet, you're going to get 200 digital product ideas, 30-day marketing strategy, growth plan, which I've already been going through. Totally headbanger. It's a game changer, you guys. And the way that it's broken down, it's easy to understand and easy to be able to put it into an actionable plan to see success. And again, you get the mentorship behind it. So as you can see, you're getting added bonuses. And they also offer Canva crash course, where you learn how to create with Canva account, how to introduce the Canva workspace, how to create your own brand with Canva, how to bulk create content and upload. And what I love about it, every month there's something new added to the course, to the program. So with that, I want to go over into our school application where they have a Thursday tech support call. So if you're not tech savvy, they help you with support calls on how to get your business up and going within 2 to 3 hours, 24 hours, depending on you and your work ethic and how you proceed and put your business together. The plan here is to get you launched to profit in 7 days. So to get you up and running within 2 hours, and you have total tech support. So if I click here, it will lead me over to a Zoom link. You have the classroom where you have all the extra training and mentoring Zooms that's happening. The 90-day legacy run that we're running this month is the 20K, the 10K in May run. If you go over here into the calendar, you can see our calendars is just about almost filled up throughout the week, where you're getting daily mentoring and different tech Zooms to help you better proceed with your in progress with your online business. Now tomorrow, today's the night, tomorrow we are having a free webinar. The link will be sent to you. If you go over into the link in the description, put in your email in this capture page, you'll put your email here, and you'll get a newsletter with the link to be able to join this free webinar to learn more information about the Legacy Builders Program and how it can help you either launch and start a online program, or how you can use what the training is to get your existing business up and going. It's totally geared to help you, and it's something's worth checking out. So if you want the link, you can again go over into the capture page, put your email in. You can opt out of the email anytime, scroll down and unsubscribe from the email list at any time. You're not obligated to stay if you don't want the information anymore. But it's gonna, once you put your email in here, it's gonna give you a lot more information about the program and how it can help you build a legacy online with this with digital marketing, guys. I'm lost for words. I'm out. I mean, I would like for you to check it out, get the information. If it's not for you, again, you can always unsubscribe, scroll down to the bottom, unsubscribe from the email list, and we have no more deals or parts or anything that we have to go through. But again, my name is Corey Norris, and I'm happy that you're going to take the chance and check out the information. And I'll see you guys on the other side, or if not, on the webinar tomorrow. All right, that's my time.